Hi, I'm Clary. I'm a visual artist. The mediums I work with are air dry clay and plaster, and in painting I use acrylics. I also do digital art, and most of the designs I make, I turn them into merch. I'm slowly easing into the world of art toys, and this is my first project. My art basically revolves around this devil character, which is Red Rum. It's based on the movie The Shining by Stanley Kubrick. Yung favorite piece na ginawa ko was from my first solo show. It was a very big painting with Red Rum na parang 12 sila. I put resin teeth all over the front, which is like a snake. Favorite ko siya kasi it was very challenging for me. Kasi sobrang laki. It's my first time na mag-work on ako ng very big pieces and it's bigger than me. For this project, I am the Queen of Hearts. It's a family portrait. So it's Mama, Papa, and me. The vision is like the birth of the Queen of Hearts, which is gusto kong isipin na ako yun. Kasi I feel like it would be a nice way to dedicate it to my parents. Ayun, very simple. Family portrait siya. And that way, may immortalize din yung accomplishments ko as an artist to be a part of this project with other amazing artists then.